Hello everyone, this is Bidasar Salam from Pace Media, and this is the 8th video of this video series on how to create a medical website with WordPress in 2021 using only the free themes and plugins. Now let's log into our WordPress website. In our previous video, we have designed department section. Now let's design doctor section. This one. Let's edit our home page with the Elementor. For this, we have to use a theme, icon box widget or image box widget or theme widget here. Okay, let's copy this section, copy it and paste it here. Okay, that's it. We can delete this section. In here, doctors, you can change the description here, and here you can delete this two. Let's drag and add new inner section, and then theme. Okay, sina theme. Let's use this widget. Okay, this one. This is fine. Here, let's change the color. Let's change the color for this hover background overlay. Sorry, overlay. This is the one. Let's choose white like this. Okay, and then for the content here, for name, great, please, great. Image white. Okay, 100%. Like this is much better. I think I prefer this mode. Let's duplicate. For the description here, what if we remove the description? Control Z. Okay, let's let's try adjusting some few effects, zoom. Okay, perfect zoom. Okay, and then image 100% white. Okay, content, pairing, position, description, social icon, description. Okay, it would be nice if, yeah, let's try increasing content white. Okay, now it's much better. Content white of this section is not uniform with other sections, but it's okay. Now let's give a section ID for this section, doctors. Okay, now you can change the picture, name, designation, description, social link icon here. From here you can change it. Let's copy, paste star, paste star, paste star. Okay, update it. Now if you preview this page, and if I click on doctors, it will navigate to this section here, doctors section. Okay, that's it for today. In our next section, let's design the contact page. This gallery, pricing, frequently asked questions are not needed. We can directly design the contact us page, contact us section. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day.